The first ball of the innings. Inside edge and bowled. Great bowling.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
He was poking at it. The field set exactly for it. And great execution of plans by the bowler. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls. Got the elevation right, but they couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Not just for a single.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Change in before trying something extravagant. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to the field.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting.
Wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? for a six.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Spinner into the action from the other end.
Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Bowled in, and the stumps go for a toss. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. They would definitely have a score in their minds.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for a six.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's six. He picked up the length very early.
Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to his field.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Here is a fielder at the extra cover.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very good shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
And he helps him get to a 6. Man here.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Last ball of innings coming up. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.